Lecture number 15. And in this lecture, what we are going to discuss about is observational learning. Now, previously, what we have discussed was about operant conditioning and classical conditioning. Those are also kind of learning, which are important, but observational learning is more important because we use this method quite often to learn many things. And there are times when we are completely unaware of the fact that we are going through a learning process while observing others. And that happens quite often. And there are many imperative things which we learn unknowingly. That's why this method is very important. Now, to give you an example, you'll find these kids, sons, how they follow their dads, and daughters, they follow often their mothers. You must have noticed that guys, they know how to shave. You say like that. They know how to shave. They know, I do not know how, but they know how to drive. But the reason is that they observe, they follow their dad, maybe because of the same gender. They think that whatever their dad is doing, they should also know. They should also do that thing. It's important. So they observe them very keenly, very closely, and they learn it very efficiently. Remember one thing, when any activity is being done in front of you with a goal, that is observed very keenly and is learned very efficiently. So here you can see this guy, he's learning shaving by copying his dad. And that moment, let me tell you, is a fun moment for this kid because he's enjoying doing that. He has learned each and every step by following his dad. And similarly, daughters, they love doing makeup because they observe their mom doing that. And that is something which dads don't do, only moms they do. So, but also they find that after doing makeup, their mom look prettier. So they also want to do the same thing. They also want to look pretty. And they will learn gradually how to put on makeup. Sometimes, mothers, they get surprised when they see their daughters using their makeup kit and so efficiently that it's kind of blows their mind. And that's what is happening. You are teaching them without knowing that you are teaching. Now, here you can see this Superman. Have you heard any kid or your kid who comes up to you and say that, Dad or Mom, I want to become Superman or Batman? I'm sure you must have, because what happens with these kids when they go watch these movies or any movies, especially these Superman and Batman, they feel themselves as Superman while watching that movie. There is a neurological reason behind it. In your brain, you have these mirror neurons, and those mirror neurons make you feel like that character. So while watching, you feel that you are a Superman or you are a Batman. That's why you say, after watching the movie, you are so motivated that you say that you want to become something like that. You want to become Superman. So maybe, yesterday, because you were with your family doctor and you observed him treating your mom, and you were quite impressed or fascinated, and you said that you want to become doctor, but today you were very much fascinated or impressed by Superman, who's saving lives, like a hero, and you want to become Superman. So that's what we do.